Hey guys, welcome to Prime Time Grind. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful pork tenderloin with a mushroom pan sauce. Let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to start off with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to go with 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil, and 1 teaspoon of rosemary as well. Also, we're going to do half a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can use garlic salt if you like, just a little too salty for me. And guys, we're going to start off with this beautiful pork tenderloin. It needs to be room temperature. Now guys, the reason it needs to be room temperature is the meat is going to cook more evenly, and it's just going to be juicier in the end. You don't want the center of your meat to be really cold or frozen. The outside of your meat will cook faster once we put it in the oven, so that's why. So guys, we just want to really coat this meat with the seasoning mix. And just spin it, get all sides, really pat it in there really nice, guys, and then we're going to just roll it on the board just to roll up all those spices. Make sure we have every piece of spice we can get. It'll just be better in the end if we do that. So we have our pork loin seasoned, ready to go in the pan. We're going to get the rest of our ingredients going. We have 1 cup of mushrooms, 1/4 cup of onions, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and 1 tablespoon of butter. And guys, this is the mushroom sliced and the onions diced right here. Alright guys, you want to start with cold oil in a hot skillet. That's going to make it more like a non-stick skillet. Really help in the long run. And guys, then you want to just lay this pork away from you. When you hear that sizzle, you have to hear that sizzle. Anytime you want to sear something, you have to hear that. And if you don't, you take it back out and start over. And guys, we're going to let that cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then we're going to just flip it over real nice, brown. Just going to let that cook for another 3 or 4 minutes. Guys, and then we're just going to kind of roll it around in the skillet. Make sure that all sides, every part is brown. There's no pink anywhere before we take it out of the skillet and put it on a baking sheet. We're going to go into the oven for 20 minutes on 350 degrees. Alright guys, so now we've got this really nice seasoned pan in front of us. We're going to add a little bit more oil to the pan, and we're going to go ahead and make our pan sauce while this pan is hot. We're going to add our diced onions. We're going to saute them down till they're translucent. They picked up some color from the stained skillet. Yeah, it's about 2 or 3 minutes. Now we have the onions where we want them, guys. We're going to add our sliced mushrooms, and we're going to continue to cook for another 3 or 4 minutes until they're nice and golden, browning just like this. And then guys, we're going to add our chicken broth, which is going to deglaze the pan and really get everything off the bottom. You want to make sure you scrub all that flavor off the bottom of the pan. It's going to go in your sauce. It's going to make it real nice. So at this point, turn the gas down. Let this reduce to about half of what it is right now. But guys, our pork loin's coming out of the oven. We're going to set it on our cutting board and let it rest. Guys, you do not want to cut it right now. The juices will run everywhere. So you want to let it rest, and the juice will still be in the meat when you cut it. So our sauce has reduced by half, and just run your wooden spoon down the middle, just kind of to the sides to make sure you got all the pieces off the bottom and it's a clean bottom. And guys, at this point we're going to add our heavy cream in. You guys, turn the gas back up to high, and we're going to bring this to a boil. So now we brought this to a boil. We're going to turn the heat down to medium. You guys, and let this reduce by half and just soak up all the flavors from the mushroom and the onion. You're going for a really nice milk chocolate color, just like here. And at that point, you want to add in your tablespoon of butter. You guys just stir it around nice. It's going to give this sauce a real nice velvet texture. and really nice shine. So just does wonders for it, guys. All right, our pork loin has been resting for about 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and slice this up, about 1/2 inch slices, guys. We're gonna go right into the middle of the pork loin just so you can see the heart of it. And I want you to notice the really nice pink, how even it is. And guys, now this is medium, and we did 20 minutes. So if you need to cook it a little bit more in the oven, about 5 more minutes will get you about medium well, and then 5 more minutes above that will get you well done. This is how my family enjoys it. And guys, it is extremely juicy like this, and it's just wonderful. Now we plate it up, guys, and we're just gonna drizzle the pan sauce right over the top of it, just as much as you'd like. Your preference on how you do this now. Guys, and I wanna thank y'all for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like the channel Primetime Grind, please hit that subscribe button. Let's get some likes. And if you'd like to see more videos and know when I put them out, guys, just hit that bell icon and you'll be sent notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks again, guys. You have a great day.